In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage lists in HubSpot, an essential tool for segmenting contacts, companies, deals, and more, ensuring that your marketing, sales, and service efforts are precise and effective. Let's dive into the world of HubSpot lists, where you'll get to understand both active and static lists and how they function. An active list is a dynamic entity that updates itself automatically as records change, making it a constantly evolving segment. On the other hand, a static list captures a moment in time and remains unchanged unless manually altered. Now, let's break down the process from start to finish. To get started with creating lists, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to CRM. From there, proceed to find lists. Once you're in the Lists section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Create List button. This is your first step towards crafting a well-segmented list. The next choice you'll make is selecting the object type you want to segment. Whether it's contacts or companies, this decision sets the foundation for your list. Following that, choose whether your list will be an active or static one. Remember, the type of list you select will depend on whether you need it to update frequently or remain as a fixed snapshot. Now on to the important task of adding filters. This is where you define the criteria for your list, making use of a variety of properties like contact properties, company properties, or even engagement history. Be precise in your selections to ensure your list accurately reflects the segment you wish to target. Once you're satisfied with your filters and everything is set, click Save to finalize your new list. Of course, creating lists is just the beginning. Managing your lists effectively is equally crucial. To make any edits, simply return to CRM and Lists, locate the list you wish to adjust, and click on it. Here, you can modify filters or tweak other settings. If you're aiming to keep your lists organized, consider adding them to folders and remember that you can clone existing lists if you need a similar one with slight modifications. Occasionally, a list may outlive its usefulness, in which case you'll want to delete it. For insights into your list's details, click on a list to view a preview of all the records matching your criteria. HubSpot lists are incredibly versatile. Not only can they serve as triggers within HubSpot workflows, but they also play a vital role in targeting your marketing emails to specific audience groups. When working with lists, always bear in mind the distinction between active and static lists to ensure you're meeting your current needs. Pay close attention to filters as they form the backbone of accurate audience segmentation. Organizational strategies, like using folders and descriptive names, are invaluable for keeping everything tidy. Finally, don't forget that list access permissions are a handy feature for controlling who has the ability to view and modify them. By the end of this tutorial, you should now feel confident in your ability to create and manage lists within HubSpot.